Today, I'll walk you through how to find groups in Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to locate and join group chats so you can connect with friends and share moments effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is your gateway to all the fun and engaging features Snapchat has to offer. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat section. You can do this by swiping right from the camera screen. This is where all your conversations happen, and it's also where you'll find your group chats. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be essential for the next steps. Now look for the search icon at the top of the chat screen. It usually looks like a magnifying glass. Clicking this will allow you to search for specific groups or friends. Next, type in the name of the group you're looking for. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also search for random groups by entering keywords related to your interests. This is a fantastic way to discover new communities and connect with people who share your passions. After you've entered your search, head over to the Add Friends section. Here, you'll see various group chats that you can join. This section is like a treasure chest of potential new connections, so take your time to explore what's available. Finally, when you find a group that piques your interest, simply click on the group name and then hit the Add button. This will send you an invitation to join the group, allowing you to engage in conversations and share snaps with other members. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find groups in Snapchat. Remember, exploring new groups can enhance your social experience on the platform, so don't hesitate to dive in. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.